Hey everyone, it's Dennis Duty here, and in this video I'm going to show you something kind of funny that I happened upon with ChatGPT. My daughter Alexis came to me and wanted to play, and she wanted to play with my phone and my computer, and we did a kind of fun little Madlibs thing. And it's not business oriented, but it is something cool and fun, and maybe it will spark some ideas with you. So we're going to jump inside of ChatGPT and we're just going to check it out real quick. Now, I just want to know one thing. Why did I cut to myself here? I wasn't done talking yet. I guess that's as big as I'm going to get. Hey, everyone. So the great thing about this method of doing a sort of Mad Lib or a fill in the blanks is that your toddler or your kid doesn't have to know what a verb is. It doesn't have to know what an adjective is. You can just throw out any crazy words because ChatGPT is going to use that intelligently within the story that it tells for you. So you don't have to, like, that was a struggle. We were online and we were trying to find ad libs for kids, and there was nothing appropriate for toddlers because the toddlers don't know. It's very hard to explain what an adjective is to a child. You could say, oh, it describes something, but then you have to teach them what the word describe means. And so unless it's a color or a name or an animal, it's very hard to work it in. That's where this comes in, and this is where the genius of this comes in, is because you just throw in the words. Now I'm going to make myself smaller. I'm sorry for that intrusion. Now we're going to use ChatGPT 3.5 for this. You don't need the advanced, you don't need the pro, because this isn't a very complex thing that you're asking it to do. So I'm going to say, write me a story that's 100 words long. It should be appropriate for toddlers and include the following words and phrases. And then in parentheses, because sometimes, you don't know how ChatGPT is going to treat this information. I'm going to say, treat each new line as a different word or phrase, because it might, because if you say just words or, it might separate them or, whatever, if that's important to you. And then I'm going to additionally put like an asterisk before each one. And I'm going to say, funny friends. I'm going to say taco cookies. Oh no. I didn't want just those two. Look, I'm going to edit this. Taco cookies. I'm going to say fabloop, because that's the type of thing that my daughter said to me. I actually have the whole list here. I'm going to paste the rest of it. She said, abby dooby dooby, Elmo poop, abby dookie, gafoof, pancakes, cheese, daffodil, dandelion, garlic, smelly, tape, slippery, slide, the entire phrase, super kitties, all four of them, backpack and sandals. So I'm going to add these. I'm not going to worry about the asterisks. Hopefully ChatGPT will be fine with it. And then I'm going to save and submit that as the actual. And then here we go. We get the 100-word story that's appropriate for children, for toddlers. It doesn't require them to know what an adverb is. Once upon a time in a land filled with funny friends, see, there it is, there lived a group of playful toddlers. They loved munching on taco cookies and giggled at the silly sound, fabloop. Suddenly they heard a mysterious voice, abby dooby dooby. It was Elmo leaving a surprise behind, a giggly wiggly Elmo poop. Ha ha ha. Shh, the toddlers whispered, abby dookie. Holding hands, they followed the sound of bliddle-diddy, which led them to a field of daffodils and dandelions. They discovered a magical garlic that made everything smelly. They stuck it with slippery tape and created a wild slide. Super kitties, all 4 of them, they exclaimed, sliding with backpacks and sandals into a pancake adventure. If you don't include, like, I told it to do 100-word story, and we included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So over, 21% of this, because some of these are multiple words, over 21% of these were predefined. So it's going to do things like that don't make sense, like super kitties, all 4 of them, they exclaimed. When I tried this previously, here, let me make myself bigger. When I tried this previously, it included much fewer things, or made the prompt longer. It actually worked it in even more intelligently. But this, for toddlers, for kids, this is fine. This is going to be hours of them giggling and rolling around on the ground. You're going to be the hit of your kid's birthday party. If you got a Paw Patrol birthday party coming up, if you got a Super Kitties birthday party coming up, you're going to have the toddlers following you all night, I promise. Just have ChatGPT open in your phone. All right, so now I'm actually going to cut back to Big Me. Take it away, Big Me. So I'm going to try to put out a lot more of these types of things. If you are interested in ChatGPT, I actually was just hired to do part of this course from I don't know how to pronounce their name, Edionics. I don't think I ever got them to pronounce it out loud for me, but they just hired me to create a ChatGPT course. Now, I think the whole thing is 6 sections long, or 6 modules long, and I am responsible for 3, maybe 4 of them. It depends on how this gig goes. But if you're interested in getting all the little tips and tricks from me, click the link down in the description, and that's going to take you to their course. So if you like it, if that's the sort of thing that interests you, then go for it. And if not, then, subscribe, and I'm sure that I'm going to have a lot more of these types of things moving forward. All right. Thanks a lot. Peace out.